A very good morning, students. Good morning to all of you, students. Okay, so now we will start with the next topic of chapter number 2, that is on the trail of the earliest people. Okay, now, students, we are going towards the last topic. Okay, that is who did what. Okay, actually, it is the last second topic, who did what. Okay, students, so let's start. So, students, we have seen that about the hunter-gatherers. Okay, about how they move from one place to other place. Okay, and how they accumulated their food. Okay, how they have made the stone tools, how they painted the walls. Okay, so all these different kinds of things we have seen, student. Okay, so here the question arises, student, is that which kind of work is done by whom? Okay, whether the work is done by men and whether the work is done by women. Okay, so which work is carried out by men and which is done by women. Okay, so we don't know which work is done by women and which work is done by men. Okay, so we have assumed that both the work have done by all the works have done by both men and women. Okay, we can say that various kinds of works are done by both men and women. Okay, apart from this, students, one more important thing you should note down, that is ostrich. Okay, ostrich is a bird. Okay, that you might be heard about the ostrich. Okay, so ostrich, the eggs of ostrich found during the Paleolithic age. Okay, during the Paleolithic age, the eggs of ostriches are found in India. Okay, so these eggs of ostriches are found in which state, student? So these eggs of ostriches are found in the Patna of the Maharashtra state. Okay, these eggs of ostriches are found in Patna of Maharashtra state. Okay, students, clear all of you? Okay, now students, we are moving towards the last topic of the chapter, that is a closer look, Hunsgi. Now, what is the Hunsgi over here, student? Hunsgi is the name of place. Okay, Hunsgi is the name of place. So we will take some small details about the place Hunsgi. Okay, Hunsgi is what? Hunsgi is nothing but it's a only Paleolithic site. Okay, Hunsgi is earlier Paleolithic site. Okay, it means it's a place. Okay, students, Hunsgi is the name of place. Yes. Okay, and in Hunsgi, okay, one can found a large number of tools. Okay, one can found a large number of tools. So we can say that a large number of factory sites are available over here. Okay, because then only the tools can be made. Okay, if the large number of factory sites are available then and only the tools can be made. Okay, and here whatever the tools are made, the special material was used to make the stone tools. Okay, like stones were used, but the special type of stone, it means the limestones were used. Okay, in Hunsgi especially the limestone was used to make the stone tools. Okay, this is one very important and a very different thing that you should note it down, student. In Hunsgi, all the stone tools are made of the limestone only. Okay, students, I think you are very much clear in this chapter. Okay, and I told you to refer to go through all the topics once, so you may be gone through all the topics. Okay, students. Okay, good. Now, students, we are moving towards the exercise of this chapter. Okay, as you know, the exercise are also equally important like the chapters. Okay, so we will move towards the exercise. Okay, so the first filling the blanks in exercise are, student, hunter gatherers choose to live in caves. Why the hunter gatherers choose to live in caves? What's the reason behind that, student? The reason behind that is The hunter-gatherers choose to live in caves because these caves can save the hunter-gatherers from the rain, from the cold, and even from the attack of the wild animals. Okay, that's why they are living in the caves. Okay, students, next question. Grasslands developed around dash years ago. Okay, so as I told you, the grasslands has developed 12,000 years ago. Okay, grasslands has developed around 12,000 years ago. So the answer of second filling the blanks is 12,000 years ago. Now moving towards third. Early people painted on the dash of the caves. They have painted on the dash of the caves. So they have made the painting on the walls of the caves. Okay, so the answer will be wall. Okay, students. Okay, now last and the question that just because before a few seconds or few minutes we have discussed. Okay, so I hope you all are able to give the answer of this question. Okay, in Hunsgi the tools were made of dash. In Hunsgi the tools were made of dash. Very easy question, student. Before a few minutes we have discussed. What will be the answer? Yes, you are right, student. Limestone. Okay, in Hunsgi tools were made of limestone. Okay, students. So here the filling the blanks are over. Now question answer. The first and very basic question which we have discussed in the first topic of the video, students. Why hunter-gatherers move from one place to another, and is it similar for what we are moving from one place to another? So first we will give the answer of the first question, student. In the earlier period, the people were moving from one place to another. Okay, the people were moving from one place to another as because of in search of food, water. Okay, in search of food and water, they are moving from one place to another. Okay, but is it similar with the present scenario? No, it is not similar with the present scenario. Okay, because we are not only moving for the food and water, but we are moving from one place to another, or we are traveling from one place to another for educational purposes. Okay, for business purposes. Okay, and for any of the purposes we are moving from one place to another. Okay, like educational purpose, like the business purpose. Okay, like for exploration of the various places. Okay, so for all these reasons we are moving from one place to another nowadays. Okay, so the reason to move from one place to another in the earlier period and reason to move from one place to another in nowadays, both are very different. Okay, students. Okay, now next question. With what tools we are cutting the fruits nowadays? Okay, and what it is made up of? So basically we are cutting the vegetables and fruits with the help of knife. Okay, very simple answer is that, student. With the help of knife we are cutting the fruits and vegetables, and these knife are made up of plastic and steel. Okay, sometimes it is made up of iron also, but most probably it is made up of plastic and steel. Okay, and the last question, student. What are the uses of fire? Okay, the last question is what are the uses of fire? So remember the uses of fire, student. I have told you the 3 uses of fire. First one, the hunter-gatherers used fire to scare away the wild animals. Second, as a source of light. And third, to cook the meat. Okay, so these 3 uses were there. Okay, students, I think you are very much clear about the exercise and about all the questions. Okay, students. Okay, best of luck for your exams, and please go through all the video once, as well as textbook word to word. Okay, thank you so much, students.